that's my channel basically, guys. Do like, subscribe and share. Adventure Bike is a big group. So let's come back quickly to the Insta360. Yeah, so this is 360 direction focus. This is for the indoor use. So normally you will use the wind reduction option. Then you go to the settings. If you go to the general settings, you can select the USB mode. You can select the for the USB mode, you have the Android option. If you want to connect it to the phone, control it by the phone. If you want to use it as a webcam with the laptop, with the mobile phone, you can do that as well. Desktop mode is for the PC connectivity. If you want to connect it to the laptop, 60 module again. So normally, mostly we use the Android. So we'll use this option. Later on, we will connect it with the Android phone. Okay, prompt sound. Yeah. So when it's turned on and turned off, you will hear that beautiful ding dong noise sound, actually, not noise. So let's keep it on. Bluetooth wake up. Yeah, if you have a Bluetooth remote, then you can have, but I'll keep it off. Yeah, I don't have the Bluetooth remote, I don't need it. Auto power off. Yeah, 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the camera, if it's not recording, if it's not in use, then it will automatically turn off to save your battery. Actually, you can change it to the never or 15 or 5 minutes, but 3 minutes is okay. Anti-flickering. Yeah, guys, so this is what you will actually try to shoot at night in the light, actually, and you will check whether it's anti-flickering is working good with the 50 hertz or 60 hertz, or you can keep it on auto as well. So whichever the option out of these three is working best for you, we'll keep that option. Language, of course, English. And gyro calibration. Yeah, guys, gyro calibration is actually, you will actually put this camera like this. So you actually keep it flat, and then you will swap this, and it will take just 4 to 5 seconds to calibrate. So I'll put that, and yeah, 4 second, 3 second, 2 second, 1 second, and now it's processing, and in some time it will, yeah. So the gyro calibration is done on auto. That's very good. So that is basically for the option where the camera knows whether if you're recording, it's tilted, or if it is not in the good angle, then it'll actually stabilize your horizon level and all that. Okay, guys, so the calibration is done as well. So you can come back to the menu, Bluetooth remote. Okay, this is screen auto sleep. This is let's go to the screen auto sleep. Yeah, timer. You can select the timer. After 30 seconds, the screen will off. So you can select it to 10 seconds as well if you want to save the battery. I'll keep it on 10 seconds. If I'm not using the camera, it will just turn off the screen to save the battery. And during recording, if you want to, don't sleep and auto sleep. In the recording, you don't need the screen for a long time to show you. So if you're like riding and making the video, you don't want your screen to be turned on to consume the battery. So after some time on auto, it will turn off the screen. So don't sleep means if you are doing a vlog, if you want to see what actually is making the video, you'll select this one, but I will select this one to auto sleep. Voice command, let's select that. Language, English, and voice commands. Take a photo, take a photo, start recording, stop recording, mark that, shut down the camera. This is actually, these are the commands where you can use easily. Okay, so video encoding, 360 mode. H264 is the best option to have the highest quality. Steadicam mode, H264, 264 and H264 for both of them. And this is the camera information where it shows you the software version 1.0.9 is the latest updated version. It was updated on 30th December, and new other update is not coming so far. I'll check if there is, then I'll make a vlog on how to update the firmware. So this is the camera information. This is basically the QXT9X. This is the model number. This is the menu. These are two basic menus actually, guys. Now, okay, so if you want to go to the selfie mode, you just select that. Yeah, this is to show the other side of the camera. This is the other side of the camera. This is 360 and linear view. Yeah, this is the 150 angle normal GoPro sort of angle. Yeah, you see that, guys? And see other stuff as well. I'll be showing you all these other items which I've purchased with the camera. Okay, this is the 360. no SD card. So guys, just give me 1 second, I'll show you the SD card now. Okay guys, so this is basically the A2 SD card, which is the latest of all the versions. I need to focus on this card to show you exactly. Yeah, so always purchase the A2 card. This is a bit expensive, but it really pays off because it works very well, and the data transferring is very fast on CPU, laptops, or any mobile phone or any other camera. 128 GB A2, this is the best one. So the A1 is a bit old now. That also is fast, but A2 is I need to focus. Yeah, A2 is very fast. And with that, you have the scan disc. This is the jacket actually, where you insert the card, and then I can show you guys. This is the scan disc. Yeah, this is the SD card adapter where you can insert it in the laptop, and you can extract the data and export the files. So I'll just show you. Here you can actually, yeah, you see there? No, you can't see until I focus it. Yeah, so this is it. You just plug it, and if I show you, yeah, this is my channel actually, Adventure Bikers AB Group. So now, some of my pictures. Yeah, you see this? This is basically the SD card, guys. You just watch it. Yeah. And here you can have all your files which you can actually export it. You see the camera is turned off after 3 minutes to save the battery, and the only thing that we left now is to see the standard mode for the video recording. And you can go for the standard photo. You can take the photos, and it also shows you the 999 plus photos you can take, because it's a big SD card. And there is an option with the check pure shot effect in the app. Yeah, so when you're on the pure shot effect, it gives you good best colors. And so I'll be keeping to the standard mode, and there is a time-lapse mode as well. So let's just keep it to the standard mode. Now let's check the, yeah, this is the white balance. Keep it on auto. You can keep it on manual as well. You can keep it on shutter priority, and isolate. You can see in the background the colors are changing, so keep it on auto. Yeah, this is auto. This is the EV. Okay, so guys, when you're actually on outdoor, better to keep it on -5 in a very sunny day, because the Insta360 is making videos with a lot of brightness. So 0.5 is very good for the outdoor activities. Keep it on 0 on indoor where you have the light, because here now in the indoor we have a flashlight working with us. So let's keep it at 0, and keep it on 0.5 if you're working in a cloudy weather where there's no good sunlight or low light. So keep it on 0.5 or 1. Don't go higher than 1, because it will affect the video quality as well. So check for the WB. Keep it on auto 2700. Some of the time, most of the guys are keeping it on 5000, which is like shooting in a yellow sunny day. So keep it on auto. Auto is good. Yeah, this is the one which I log. Actually, you can select the log option with normal and with standard colors, where you can do the post editing. But the best thing is for the vloggers. But the best thing for the vloggers is the favorite colors option, where it automatically gives you all the bright colors. So this is the best option. I would like to choose this.